I hear it all the time. Shirley, you must be in the kitchen all day. Well, guess what? I have the cable company gonna come in and out of my house all day today. So this is how it begins. Crock pot or a slow cooker. Frozen chicken from down in the second garage. A half an onion. Yes, the peel goes in also. I did wash the carrot, but I'm not going to peel it because we're not probably going to even eat it. And then a piece of celery. And that all goes in the crock pot, water to cover. All these in here on, this is a slow cooker, so it can be on high. And to finish it off, our gourmet meal will have some frozen bread dough. I microwaved it on defrost for about 40 seconds. And then I will put some olive oil on it once it raises up a little bit more. And put some garlic salt or cheese on it and bake it. And you'll think, wow, Shirley's been in the kitchen all day. Not. Water to cover because that's so much gravy you'll have. See you later. The bread's done. And it smells wonderful. And this is smelling wonderful also. It's those veggies in there that's making it such a nice smell, nice broth. So this is funny. The cable guy is here. And I offered him something cold or warm to drink. He said warm. And I offered him coffee or tea. He goes, well. And I said, oh, do you want hot chocolate? It's homemade. He said, yes. So I'm going to make him my homemade chocolate, hot chocolate. I think I did do a video on this already. I'll have to look it up because guess what? 'Tis the season, y'all. Time to make a little roux so that I can use this stock. Here, look. I took out the chicken, but inside, boy, you should have smelled this. It smells like wonderful chicken noodle soup. Look at how rich that is. And I will not use the onion, celery, and carrot. I will drain it off after I make this roux. Let me add a little flour. And I'll get that cooked off. Stir, stir, stir. So I strained the broth into here. And because I used the flour, it will thicken up. And just keep it on low for a little bit. Salt and pepper to taste. Bag of cauliflower, I'll just heat it up in the microwave. Cook it. And remember I made those parsley butter potatoes? They don't look so pretty here, but I married the two together and we have a nice cauliflower mash. All you do is add a little bit of butter in the food processor. Instead of noodles and instead of mashed potatoes or dumplings or something, it's nice to have this once in a while. And just like that, here's that frozen bread dough with the butter. My cauliflower mash. I put a little shaker cheese and butter and salt. That's it. Frozen green beans, but you know I shook some of those little dried onions in there before I microwaved it. And then there's our chicken and gravy. Really nice and tender. Really deep flavor from the veggies that I put in the stock. So I'm not in the kitchen all day after all.